So Between Friends offers many different valuable services and programs. And in 2017, we're really looking to grow our education program. This is a program called REACH, Relationship Education, A Choice for Hope. And the REACH program sees thousands of young people every year in 30 different communities and in 45 different schools throughout the Chicagoland area. So we start in 6th grade and we go all the way up to 12th grade. And really in our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, which is our target group, we're really working with them on what is it that violence, what are the roots of violence, what are the causes to violence. Once we know the causes, we know what we need to do to prevent them. And then we also start practicing the skills that are necessary to be able to have healthy relationships. We're practicing healthy communication skills. We're talking about conflict resolution skills. And we're really creating a space in the classroom where young people can feel safe to talk about relationships, talk about some of the challenges that they're experiencing. And then once we know the challenges, then we can really take very concrete steps to kind of relieve some of those challenges for them. And then we're establishing relationships with them. We're establishing relationships between the teachers so they can continue the messages that we've established with the young people throughout the time we're with them. On average, we're with young people for about 8 weeks. So we see them for 1 hour. Every week we replace a class. So we can be your math class, we can be your English class. And whatever class we're representing, we're incorporating our key skills into that class. So if we're working on English, we're writing essays about healthy relationships. We're writing stories about it. If we're in math, we're really analyzing the statistics related to domestic violence and the occurrences of it. So we really fit well into all pieces of curriculum. But we're really mostly looking at building social and emotional learning skills. And so we really work with our young people on, if you're experiencing a conflict, how can you react in a way that's healthy, that doesn't hurt you or hurt the other person? And that takes practice. A lot of times we think about how do we learn things? We learn by practicing them. And if our role models are violence, that's what we learn. But we can also unlearn it. So, when we think about prevention, it's not that violence is inevitable. It's something that's very preventable. And that's our philosophy in our work. That's what we're building in our communities. And that's what we're doing with thousands of young people every year.